Hi there. I'm quickly going to give you a brief overview of EDU Link Tool. It's very easy to scrape, analyze, and build high-authority backlinks with this software. Let's search for a keyword. And here we have the list of high PR EDU blogs. Let's analyze all of them and check the page authority, domain authority, and page rank of each of them. You can export the results in Excel format and view complete details of your campaign. All of the URLs are here, along with their important metrics. You may be wondering about how to create backlinks on these pages. Here we go. On this page, for example, all you need to do is write a 10 to 15 word sensible and relevant comment. Wait for a few seconds, and boom, you got a powerful do-follow EDU backlink. So this is how easy it is to get backlinks from high-authority EDU blogs and forums without waiting for days and without spending hundreds of dollars. Complete tutorials about how to build links on EDU blogs as well as EDU forums are included in our package. The special price on this page may increase anytime, so grab your license today and get started right away.